Today we're making briouats, which in Morocco means tiny envelopes. So I like to think of the whole process of making these delicious fillings as making mini love letters and then putting them in mini envelopes and then sending them to you, to your loved ones' stomachs as a sign of love. So let's make them. We start with my favorite and the most authentic of the three, chicken briouats. On medium heat, melt the butter and then add the olive oil. Now add garlic and let it get some color. Before you dunk our half chicken into that flavorful, buttery, garlicky sauce. For spices, you need salt, pepper, ginger, turmeric, and a touch of cinnamon. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add chopped preserved lemons and the saffron. Optionally, add 2 teaspoons of harissa, and don't worry, we will add so much onions you will barely taste the kick. Add parsley, cilantro, and the onions. Cover and cook for 40 minutes. And make sure to flip the chicken at around the 20 minutes mark. If you're really hungry, just put this on a plate because you already made a delicious Moroccan chicken. But if you want briouats, remove the chicken and then whisk in 2 eggs and cook until all the liquid evaporates and you end up with an omelet so good that will make Gordon Ramsay happy. Although I've never seen that guy happy. Like, ever. Once your chicken cools down, pull it apart into small strips, add sliced green olives to the omelet, and then the pulled chicken. Mix and let it rest in a cold place until you are literally ready to roll. Now we jump to shrimps with charmoula and vermicelli. And I gotta say, I love the word charmoula. It's such a Moroccan word. Charmoula. So, parsley, cilantro, garlic, lemon juice, tomato paste, olive oil, salt, coriander, cumin, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, water, and the good mix. Butter and olive oil on medium heat, then add sliced garlic, chili flakes, and some capers. If you're watching this during Ramadan, you are totally teasing yourself. Let them sear for 2 minutes, cook for 1.5 minutes, and then add the shrimps. Let them sear for 2 minutes and then add your charmoula. Then cook again for another 3 minutes and then remove the shrimps. Just like the chicken, you don't want to overcook the shrimps because we will cook them again before we serve them. Now add the onions and the bell peppers, cover and cook for 10 minutes until they are soft. After that, remove the cover and continue cooking until all the water evaporates. To prepare the vermicelli, let it sit in hot water for 10 minutes and then, Italians look away please, I chop it into small pieces. This is a popular filling, although unclear when was the soy sauce and vermicelli integrated into Moroccan cuisine. But I gotta say, for a fusion recipe, this lands very well. The last filling is the least authentic, but the goal of making briouat is always to provide a lot of options on the floor table. You almost never serve only one type, so having a vegan option makes a whole lot of sense. On medium heat, add some vegetable oil, garlic, and freshly grated ginger. Cook for 2 minutes, and optionally, I'm using these pink peppers that are aromatic and not spicy at all. If you don't have them, just use plain ground black pepper. After that, add a roughly chopped spring onion and cook for 1 minute. Then add a bit of hot water, cabbage, and the bell peppers. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After that, add soy sauce and mix. This is really a freestyle recipe, so you can add any vegetables you like. Cook well as long as you use the garlic, the ginger, and the soy sauce to set in the flavor profile. After that, add soy sauce and mix. You can use any remaining vegetables in your fridge, and actually if you air fry it, you end up with very healthy briouats. And now it's time to roll. Flour and water, just enough to make a thick mix. Egg wash consisting of 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. For the vegan briouats, a mixture of 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. It adds some flavor and makes it easy for people to spot the vegan ones on the iftar table. I don't have access to good phyllo dough, but the spring roll sheets work very well. I let them defrost overnight in the fridge, and I don't take them out until I'm ready to use them. Grab roughly 10 sheets, fold them into 3 equal size folds, and then cut and cover immediately. Oil your work surface, and then use 2 strips. You need a heaped tablespoon of the fill-in. Start at the edge, and then start folding side to side. Make sure you use your finger to hold and to tuck the briouats in every turn. Then do it again on the next strip. Use the water flour mixture to close the ends, almost like an envelope. This will take some practice if it's your first time doing it, and it could be a fun thing to do as a family. AKA, help me with your food, you ungrateful bunch. Apply the egg wash or the oil paprika mixture from both sides. If you want the richest, most flavorful briouats, of course you should deep fry them. Otherwise, bake them for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius. Personally, I air fry them for 20 minutes at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. They come out fantastic. Super crunchy. In any case, the fill-in is already cooked. All you have to worry about is that they are golden brown and crunchy. Other than that, enjoy. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make these at home. Let me know what you think. Other than that, feel free to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in another video. Take care.